Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you're looking to sell merchandise both online and in person, Square makes for an ideal payment processor. Square offers several hardware options to suit your in-person sales needs, and with the Gravity Forms Square add-on, you can also accept online payments using your forms. And as an added bonus, new Square customers can get free processing fees for up to 180 days. Check out the link below to learn more. Let's jump in and take a quick look at how to set up a merchandise order form using the add-on. First, be sure you have the Square add-on set up on your WordPress site and connected to your Square account. Then I'll create a new form using the e-commerce form template. I'm first going to edit the product fields to be more specific to the merchandise I am selling, a shirt and a hat. For the product descriptions, I'm going to use a line of HTML code to display images of what I am selling. If you need help embedding images, be sure to check out our video on it, linked below. For my shirts, I want to give customers the option to select their size, so I'm going to change the field type to dropdown and bulk add size options using the built-in predefined size choice. Then I'll set the price for each shirt size. Once I'm done customizing my product fields, I'm going to open the field settings for the shipping field and modify the shipping prices. Next, I'll delete the payment field and add the Square field. I'll then need to configure my Square feed, so I'll save my form and head to this form's Square settings. I'll create a new feed and give it a descriptive name, then set the transaction type to products and services. Then I'll ensure the payment amount field is mapped to the form total field. If needed, I also have the option of enabling authorize only, allowing me to only authorize payments when my form is submitted and capture them later from the entry details page. I'll next map the billing information fields with their corresponding form fields and save my settings. Now all I need to do is publish my form and I'll be ready to start selling my merchandise online thanks to Gravity Forms and Square. If you have any questions on setting everything up, please let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.